Yo, what's up guys? It's Pyros here, the CryptoPy, and today we're going to be talking about the market, guys, and especially what is Bitcoin doing. Because as you all know, Bitcoin will set the trend for the market. But let's first take a look at the overall market cap, alright? So we just need to look at market cap here, and let's put it on 7 days, right? So you see we were really low, right? 493 billion on January the 23rd. Right now, a week later, we're a little bit higher. We're at 500, between 560 or so, right? 560 billion and up. That is great to see. However, it's not fast progression, okay? It's slow progression, which is fine. But it just shows you that the market is slowly, it's trying to recover, alright? I'm not saying we're out of like the whole down scenario yet, because you know, we can definitely see some more downside as well. But let me go back to one. So if you look at the 1 month, we are getting a little bit higher, but I like to see some more volume pumping into it though. You know, this is the overall market cap, and if you just, for example, take Bitcoin, the volume right now, right, 7 billion, it's not, it doesn't impress me, okay? It just doesn't. You know, and then if you take, for example, Ethereum, 3.6 billion, okay, that impresses me a whole lot more. We take NEO, is 613 million. Alright, so, and with, you have to consider the market cap, right? NEO has a market cap for only 10 billion, whereas 600 million is being traded around into 24 hours, while in Ethereum we have 114 billion market cap, where there's only 3.6 billion being traded around. And on Bitcoin we have 190 billion, where only 7 billion is in volume for the 24-hour, right, for trading. I'm not very impressed with that just yet. But anyways, guys, let's take a look at the charts, right? They tell us more than anything, right? Let's take a look at the daily, what I see, right? We had an A, B, C. I still stand by that this is the C, okay? And so we need to obviously get bullish, right? At some point we need to break out of this line even, right? This top line here. And before that we need to break out of this smaller line here, right? So under the daily, you see that we're all the way up, but we're about to cross bearish. I don't like seeing that, but you know, facts are facts, right? 3 day, we're on the bottom on the stochastic RSI. 1 week, we're on the bottom. So yeah, but the 1 day can definitely give us some more down. I don't want to see it, but you know, it could happen. But overall, guys, we cannot use these indicators such as RSI, stochastic RSI, all that much at the moment, because all we're doing is like consolidating a little bit, right? We're not doing all that much. So, you know, if we just look at the 4 hour here, just draw your lines, guys, from the top to that top, okay? And then from the bottoms, right, we are into a triangle. Now, if you are, let's say you're panicking, okay, and you still want to take some profit. Let's say, you know, you bought Bitcoin way lower, right, at 3k or 6k, 7k, whatever, and you still want to take profit in case it does go further down. Well, I would tell you guys to wait for a break of the support line. However, guys, you know, keep in mind that's just what I would do. It's just up to you, obviously, right? But I like to see, right now we're just kind of like, it's indecisive, right? Sure, we can go back down here, there's no problem, and then, or we can go up here. At some point we will need to break out of this triangle, and if that's down, you know, I have no problem and then selling some of my Bitcoin in order to buy it back lower. Or the same case is for, if it breaks out up, you know, it might be a good time to add some more other coins or fiat money into Bitcoin, right? When it breaks out, because then we're moving up to this and trying to break out of that. You know, it will definitely take a while. Also, I remember, you guys remember this? So we were in this ascending triangle and we broke out, but then we made a new top here. That's why we have this new triangle here, right? So at some point we will be at the end of this triangle and we need to break either upwards or downwards. That's just how I see it, guys. I mean, it's very simple to see, okay? I can't really go counting waves because there isn't really any. There is no impulsive waves. If you want to count waves, you know, you can do it. For example, I counted this, right? This is what I saw as ABC correction on the 15-minute, guys. That's a very low time frame, you know. So, and then all I know is that the A move is also basically a smaller correction, right? Let me make this a different color for you guys. So if I just make this yellow, right, it's a smaller correction, and in order to get to B is also a smaller correction. That's just what I see, right? It's like, again, A, B, and then C, right? So that's a 3, 3, and then 5, right? This is very easy to spot, okay, guys? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have a 5, right? That's just, and guys, just do your own technical analysis, right? I want you guys to learn, obviously, but you only learn by just, you know, doing these kind of things, guys. You will get better at it, trust me. So, you know, this is what I call 5 right now. So after 5, what will happen, guys? Well, A, B, and perhaps a C, right? Who knows? But that would make sense to me to test this back up, test this, you know, back up here again, this zone, basically this entire zone. So that would make sense to me that we are going to test that again. But that's just how I see it, guys. So this one was very easy to spot. Anyone could have spotted this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so, and just to show you guys, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where we talk among each other, talk about cryptocurrencies, talk about ICOs, you know, you can ask me any questions or ask other people questions, and, you know, I'm sure people will answer you. Also, join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, where I post about whitelisting, about announcements of ICOs, etc. Just to stay up to date with the crypto scene, alright? So join up both Telegrams, guys. Both links will be in the description below. And just like I said, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, I talked about this this morning before it happened. Where was it? That's Daddy, so that was later. So today we had 2 ICOs, guys. I went into Apex and I went into Daddy. Alright? That's just what I did. So yeah, look at this, guys. Alright? So this is my, you see that? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, how did I know that 5 would go around there? Well, it coincides with that. So let me do it on the bigger chart. Alright? It coincides with here. Also, guys, if you take your Fibonacci extension, and I saw this before, right? Because we saw this here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I took previous price action, right, here, and then I was like, okay, so it gets to about this level, right? Okay, so in between the 1 and the 1.272. So then I did the same thing here, from the 1 to the 2, and you can see it goes to the 1 in between the 1 and the 1.272, and it did. So, you know, being a conservative trader, I put my 5 down here, because that's the 1. So, you know, that's just how I predicted that one. And after that it went back up a little bit, and it's making a double bottom. Also, guys, if you take a look here, this bottom and then this bottom, the RSI is about just as strong, right? But why it bounced here as well, because this RSI is up there, right? But it's lower price. So what we had here was basically lower price, but if we take the same thing here, we had a higher RSI. That's what we call RSI divergence, right? So that's bullish RSI divergence, hidden bullish RSI divergence, and that is also another great, you know, just insight to know that at least a small bounce is happening. And a small bounce happened, nothing major, but now we make a double bottom, and hopefully that gives us some strength to try and go back up to here. And who knows what will happen then, right? Just wait it out and see. But you know guys, that's pretty much what I have for you today. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.